Okay, here's a left-hand switchgear in an RG500. It's also used on RG400, Aprilia RS250s, a whole bunch of bikes. And the problem with these things is the choke lever is held in place. There's got a little ball bearing and a spring and stuff. And when you take this switch housing off for some reason, for whatever reason, that little ball bearing goes bling and it's gone, and then you can't find it because it's so small and it flew so far. And then you're stuck with a choke lever that won't stay in the choke position, which makes it very difficult to start some motorcycles like mine. Mine really wants to have the choke on to get it started. So the fix is really easy to do. You get a spring, take a ballpoint pen, and you just get a ballpoint pen, take the spring out of it, and just put it in there. Okay, now they've got this fancy mechanism stock, but it's just a friction fit. So you just sacrifice the spring, and you put it in there, and this has been in there for a couple of years, so it's all bent over, but who cares, you can't see it, and it makes it so the choke lever works normally, and you can start your bike easily. Okay, and you just put it back together, put it in the clip on, and away you go.